This one we got to do by parts. It's the math guy, Steve. All right, so we're doing calculus brush-up problems for those who are heading in calculus this coming semester. It says evaluate the integral of x cosine of 2x dx. So here we have something multiplied by something, right? We have an x multiplied by a cosine of 2x dx, right? So when we have that, hence to by parts. Our by parts formula is really for when we have a function multiplied by another function, right? So here, one way to help us out in finding out what parts to use for what is by using LIATE. Okay, LIATE just tells us, okay, if we have, this is the order in which we would choose the u parts of the by parts formula. So LIATE stands for log, inverse trig, algebraic trig, and then exponential. Now we have to remind ourselves of the by parts formula, right? The by parts formula tells us, okay, the integral of u dv is 2v minus the integral of v du. In other words, ultraviolet voodoo, that's what we call it, okay? So ultraviolet voodoo, all right, okay, well now I know where to put the u and where to put the dv. Okay, so to choose the u, I would say, well, what parts do I have? I have just an algebraic if I have just x by itself, and this is a trig, okay? So we're multiplying an algebraic by a trig, which one to choose for which? Okay, we don't have a log, right? We don't have an inverse trig, but we do have an algebraic and a trig, so the algebraic comes first, meaning that's what we're going to choose for the u part. So we say u, okay, is the algebraic x, and then we got to fill in this table here, okay, and then the dv is the rest of it. So in this case, it would be the cosine of 2x dx. So now I've written it as u dv, but now to find the other parts, we derive down, integrate up, okay, derive down, integrate up, meaning, okay, if u is x, then du is just dx. All right, okay. And then if dv is cosine of 2x, then v is the integral of that. Remember, the integral of cosine of x is just sine of x, right? But the integral of cosine of 2x, it's a quick use of there, we have to say half sine of 2x, okay? So there's our subbubble. There's our subble. All right, okay, our subble. All right. So let's rewrite the entire integral. So we know the integral of x cosine of 2x dx. We can now write as the integral of u dv, and by our by parts formula, that is uv minus the integral of v du, ultraviolet voodoo, okay? So that equals, okay, u, which is x, okay, v, which is 1/2 sine of 2x. So I'll put a 1/2 out in front, 1/2 sine of 2x, so uv minus the integral of, so minus the integral of that same v, okay, so the integral of that same v. So there's a 1/2 sine of 2x. So I put a 1/2 out in front, 1/2 sine of 2x, and then du, in other words, dx, okay? So hopefully now this new integral is a lot easier to integrate. It is. So, which of course we know, using our quick use of, integral of sine of 2x is just half negative cosine of 2x dx, okay? So that would give us, this is 1/2 x sine of 2x minus 1/2 of negative half. And again, that's times. It's multiplied times cosine of 2x. Now that we're done integrating, don't forget the plus c. Or if I multiply this negative half times negative half, we end up with, okay, 1/2 x sine of 2x plus 1/4 cosine of 2x. Don't forget that plus c. So that would be the evaluation of our integral. So if you got the answer, you got it right. If you need more help with calculus, I'm doing the MGS Calculus Camp on YouTube. Go check it out. Don't forget to follow for more calculus brush-up problems.